Handheld vacuums are the quickest way to handle everyday messes, crumbs on the couch, pet hair in the car, or dust in tight corners, without dragging out a full-size machine. The best models balance suction, battery life, and smart attachments so cleaning stays effortless. In this video to the best handheld vacuums, you'll compare power, runtime, filtration, and convenience to find the right one. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER dustbuster AdvancedClean are fine for best budget handheld vacuum. If you want a budget-friendly handheld vacuum that still feels capable for daily messes, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster AdvancedClean is made to keep things simple and convenient. Its cordless, battery-powered design means you can move from room to room or straight out to your car without hunting for an outlet. Because it's lightweight and rechargeable, it's easy to grab for quick cleanups when crumbs, dirt, or pet hair show up. You'll also like how versatile it is across common surfaces. It works well for carpeted stairs, car seats, and floor mats, upholstery, couches, and other high-traffic areas where debris builds up fast. The compact design helps it sit comfortably in your hand while you clean, and it stores neatly until the next time you need it. For tight spaces, the rotating slim nozzle turns to help you reach awkward angles, while the pull-out crevice tool gets into narrow gaps, like between couch cushions or along edges and shelves. When you're dealing with dusty surfaces, the flip-up brush adds extra control so you can clean more gently and precisely. To help suction stay consistent, cyclonic action spins dust and debris away from the cartridge filter as you vacuum. That means you spend less time fighting clogged airflow and more time finishing the job. Overall, it's a practical, reliable choice if you want fast cleanups, helpful tools, and solid performance without paying premium prices. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER dustbuster Pivot Vac, our find for best handheld vacuum for tight corners and crevices. If you struggle to clean along tight edges between seats or deep in couch cushions, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster Pivot Vac is built to give you more reach and control. It's a cordless, rechargeable handheld vacuum powered by a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, so you get strong suction without being tied to an outlet, perfect for quick cleanups around your home or in your car. The standout feature is the pivoting wide-mouth nozzle. It swivels to help you angle into narrow spaces while still handling larger debris, so you can pick up crumbs, dirt, and tracked-in grit without constantly repositioning your wrist. That design is especially useful for awkward areas like car footwells, the gap between the center console and seats, and corners where dust tends to collect. You also get built-in tools that make everyday messes easier to manage. The extendable crevice tool helps you reach into tight seams and edges, while the flip-up brush is great for upholstery and quick dusting on surfaces that need a gentler touch. As you clean, cyclonic action helps keep dust and debris away from the cloth filter, supporting more consistent airflow and maintaining suction longer during your session. Overall, it's a practical handheld option when you want reliable cordless power, better access to corners and crevices, and convenient onboard tools that help you finish small jobs fast. Still searching for the perfect handheld vacuum? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser, our find for best handheld vacuum for pet hair. If you're constantly battling pet hair on couches, chairs, and other soft surfaces, the BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser is designed to make those cleanups faster and far less frustrating. It's built for homes with pets, using a motorized brush tool that helps lift and pull embedded hair and dirt from upholstery, so you're not just skimming the surface or chasing the same fur around. Because it's cordless, you can clean right where the mess happens. The 14-volt lithium-ion battery gives you reliable power for quick touch-ups on furniture, pet beds, stairs, and even the car, without being tied to an outlet. That grab-and-go convenience is especially useful when shedding spikes or your pet claims a favorite seat minutes before guests arrive. When you're done, the easy empty dirt bin is designed to trap pet hair and debris so you can dump it out quickly and get back to what you were doing. The multi-stage filtration also helps capture fine particles along with the larger mess, keeping the airflow working efficiently during your cleanup. There's also an added feel-good bonus. Every purchase supports BISSELL Pet Foundation's mission to help pets in need, so your buy goes beyond keeping your home cleaner. Overall, it's a practical handheld vacuum if you want stronger pet-focused performance, easy cordless use, and a quicker way to keep upholstery looking and feeling fresh. Number 2. Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus, our find for best handheld vacuum for car cleaning. If you want a handheld vacuum that's especially handy for car interiors and fast, on-the-spot cleanups, the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus is built to keep up with your routine. It's compact and cordless, so you can grab it anytime you notice crumbs in the cup holders, dust on the floor mats, or pet hair on the seats without dragging out a larger vacuum. What makes it feel more capable than many small hand vacs is its ultra-powerful suction system. 2 cyclonic air streams work together to deliver strong pickup while helping maintain airflow, which supports longer-lasting filter and motor life. That means you can stay focused on cleaning instead of losing performance halfway through a job. You also get 4-in-1 versatility, so you can use the vacuum on its own for quick passes or attach the included premium tools when you need more precision. The accessories help you reach tight areas, handle upholstery, and tackle stubborn pet hair, making it a practical choice for both your car and everyday messes around the house. Even with that added capability, it stays easy to handle. At only 2.8 pounds, it's light enough to carry, store, and maneuver comfortably, whether you're cleaning between seats or doing a quick sweep on hard surfaces. When you're done, the Clean Touch Dirt Ejector lets you dispose of debris with less mess and no need to touch the dust. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Shark WANDVAC, our find for best handheld vacuum overall. If you want a handheld vacuum that's easy to grab, easy to control, and strong enough for real-life messes, the Shark WANDVAC delivers. Its high-speed, brushless motor produces powerful cordless suction, so you can quickly tackle crumbs on the couch, dust on shelves, or pet hair on car seats without dragging out a full-size vacuum. With a compact 3.35-inch cleaning path, it's also great for tight spots where larger tools struggle. At just 1.4 pounds, it stays ultra-light in your hand, making quick cleanups feel less like a chore, especially when you're moving from hard floors to carpet or switching to upholstery. When you're finished, maintenance is straightforward. The dust cup detaches easily, and the washable fabric filter and removable filter housing help you keep the vacuum performing well over time. You'll also appreciate the convenience features that make everyday use smoother. The sleek charging dock keeps the WANDVAC always charging and within reach, so it's ready whenever spills happen. One-touch emptying lets you dump debris fast without getting your hands dirty, and the LED indicator shows charging status and remaining battery life, so you know where you stand before you start. Add the ergonomic handle design for comfortable grip and better control, and you've got a handheld vacuum that fits naturally into your routine. Fast, tidy, and always ready for the next mess. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which handheld vacuum you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.